everybody, this is Noah from Noah Toy Review. Today I'll be unboxing a surprise. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and open it. Some kind of packages. I never got this thing in the mail before. Rip it open. Crazy! Never got a package. Some kind of thing. Did I take it out like this? What is this? What the heck is this? Some kind of. What? It says it's Google, but what is this? Is this a mini or? Anyway, what the heck is this? It says. Let's see what it says. It says Google. Ah! It's a Google Home Mini! Ah! It's a Google Home Mini! Ah! Ah! This is so cool! Woo! Oh my god! How do I open this? So we already got the box open. Let's go ahead and open it up. I was surprised. This was my birthday gift, you know? Ah! This is a surprise! I love it! Woo! I love it! Let's see what's under here. Woo! Some Google stuff. You got the plug, and then you got the instructions, like two Google stuffs, and yeah. So we're gonna get ready to test this tablet up. Now let's go ahead and plug the thing in. Now it's gonna turn on any minute. It's trying to turn on. So it's like it's probably saying Google because it's trying to load because I just plugged the thing in. So yeah. So we gotta wait till it loads. And here's the sound, and we turn it up. So it has the color from Google. So it says something. It says something. Hold on. It's trying to say download the Google Home app on phone or tablet. So we gotta wait. So right now it's connected to my iPad. So we just have to wait until it loads because we can things. So we gotta wait until it's done. So it has the minutes when it's gonna it's gonna be done. So when it hits 100 right here, that means it's ready to set up. So when it's after set up, then it's good. Then it's time for us to test it out, kids. Kids, if you want this so bad, I'll put this in the link in the description below so you could get this. Well, or you need your parents to help. So it says 100. It says 100, but it's probably taking a while. Hold on, I just turned the thing off. Sorry. It's like taking the best to load. Stuff to load, so I'm gonna hold it up like this so you can see. Let me know in the comment section, do you love this or not? Because I love it because it's my favorite thing. Well, The mini is good, but I decided to get this one. This one is so cool. I also have the Google logo down here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. You can't even see it if you don't look at it. And there's another one back here that's Google logo right here. I don't know if you can see it. There. So yeah. Oh, I love it. So I definitely love it. Well, I'm ready to get started because
installing the updates.
It's like installing the updates. So you know. So this is what it look like. Ah! Oh my God! Woo! Is it trying to work, Mom? No. So it's gonna be connected to my iPad any minute now. Any minute? Yeah. I'm gonna hold it up right by my head. Make sure don't drop it. So yeah.
You're gonna finish installing the updates and you will be right back.
We'll be right back. We're gonna press this button in 3, 2, 1, press.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar,
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, turn off the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display your best and latest photos of loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home
When I
app.
have to do this, I have to download the Google Home
What's this?
photo.
It's Hub's
Google
light sensor.
Photo.
It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started. Now that you're set up, I'd like to show you a few more things you can do with your Google Nest Hub. First, swipe down from the top. This is where you can find and control devices in your smart home. Any smart home devices you add to the Google Home app.
This is so cool!
Come back later to explore.
So how do I turn the volume up?
Now swipe up to close your home view. To close the home view, try swipe next. I'll show you where to find settings. This is where you can find some of the controls for your hub, like screen brightness, volume, and a few other things.
Yeah, I
To
know
hide
where the
these
settings.
controls,
It's
tap
right
anywhere
here.
on the screen. Now that we've talked about swiping, let's look at some things you can see on your screen. To check out your day, tap anywhere on the screen.
Look like.
Throughout the day, I'll have new things here for you.
Wow,
Anything
that's so
from
cool.
what's on your calendar to top hits on YouTube.
Oh my god.
To see more of what I have for you, scroll right.
Oh my god. This way. This is so cool.
Try dragging your finger to the left across the screen.
Hey Google. Yeah, good. Wow, so there's your stuffs.
Great job. That's all I have for now, so I'll let you have some fun and explore on your own. Just as a final tip, if you want to learn more, you can always ask me, what can you do?
So we have
Bye
to
for now.
So now you're going to connect your Spotify so you can listen to music.
Yeah! So all we have to say, Google, we have to play Spotify. Okay. Hey Google, play some music in Spotify.
Playing some music on Spotify.
And due to copyright, we're going to pause this.
Hey Google, stop. This is so cool.
Ask about the weather.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in 11 Mile, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 107 and a low of 80.
So
Currently it's 96 and sunny.
yeah. So I'm done reviewing this. I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button if you like this Google thing. And I'll link this in the description below so you could buy it, or you could get your parents to help you to buy this. And for now, comment, share, and subscribe. And for now, bye. Hit that thumbs up too. Bye. Notifications right here. Subscribe button right here.